Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase affiliate marketing success with Rakuten easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your affiliate marketing success with Rakuten, start by creating an account on the Rakuten affiliate network. Once you have registered, log into your account to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various tools and features available. Next, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Research potential partners within the Rakuten network to find brands that fit your niche. Evaluate each brand's affiliate program by checking commission rates, cookie durations, and payout methods. Once you've identified suitable partners, apply to their affiliate programs. After your applications are approved, gather the marketing materials provided by the brands. Create compelling content that integrates your affiliate links naturally. Consider starting a blog, creating videos, or leveraging social media platforms to share your content. When writing, focus on providing value to your audience while promoting the products. Use engaging visuals and clear calls to action to encourage clicks on your affiliate links. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links through the Rakuten dashboard. Utilize the insights gained from your performance tracking to refine your strategies. Continuously test different content formats and promotional techniques to see what works best. Stay updated on industry trends and the latest products from your affiliate partners. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions related to your content. Consider collaborating with influencers or hosting giveaways to expand your reach. Always ensure that you are compliant with all advertising regulations and guidelines. Track your earnings regularly to gauge your overall success and identify areas for improvement. Make adjustments to your marketing strategy based on the data you collect. Stay persistent, as success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.